Right, what we can tell you is that the incident emanated from a pursuit where a motor vehicle with men armed with guns were involved in a robbery along Spanish Town Road in the St. Andrews South Division. The information was circulated by the police radio network. The officers who were on patrol within the Denham town community actually spotted this particular vehicle. They went in pursuit of the vehicle, during which time men from the vehicle alighted, opened gunfire at the police, and the police returned the fire. After the shooting subsided, one man was found with what appeared to be gunshot injuries. The motor car which was involved in the robbery, as also the items which were stolen from the premises in that robbery over in St. Andrews South, were recovered at the scene as well. I will not comment on what the residents are saying at this time, except to say that we realize that they are disputing the account of our police officers. We have since engaged the services of Indicom, and they are here doing their investigations, and we are cooperating fully with them. I would want to urge the residents who may have witnessed something just to speak with Indicom so that we can have a thorough investigation and identify what exactly may have transpired with this particular incident. No firearm was recovered at the scene of the incident, but the items which were stolen from the place of the robbery, those items and the motor vehicle were recovered at the scene. We know that the deceased, who has been identified as Nicholas Miller, otherwise called Miller, he was charged some time ago and is in fact reporting on condition of bail at the Denham Town Police Station. He's one of those persons who is under what we refer to as a curfew order. So oftentimes we will have to visit his place of abode to ensure that he stays within the confines of his home based on the instruction and order of the court as a part of the condition of his bail.
What was he charged?
He was charged with murder.
Is he a troublemaker in the community, sir?
Well, I wouldn't want to speak to his character except to say that he was charged with an offense of murder by the Kingston Western Police, and that matter is before the court. So I wouldn't want to comment further on him.
Mr. Phipps, can you speak to some of the items that were said to be stolen?
All right. I do know that 2 gaming boxes were recovered at the scene of the incident, as also the motor car which was used in the robbery in which the gunmen traveled, really.
Do you know who the motor car belongs to?
Well, we have some information, and we are checking that information to verify ownership of the motor vehicle. Officers are alleging that Miller was part of the group that went to the premises to carry out that particular robbery, and he was the person who actually ran from the front passenger vehicle of that motor car. But as I said, these are information which is being disputed by the community, so we'll just allow Indicom to do their investigations and determine the accuracy of that information. In keeping with our use of force policy, all the officers involved have been removed from frontline duty, and they will await the outcome of an admin review and the determination of the Indicom investigations.